Have you ever spent hours cleaning your home only to feel like it still looks cluttered and messy? You're not alone. Many older adults unknowingly make common cleaning mistakes that work against them, leading to a home that never quite feels organized. The truth is, cleaning isn't just about wiping surfaces and vacuuming floors, it's about strategy and efficiency. Many seniors fall into cleaning habits they've maintained for decades, without realizing that these habits might be the reason their homes never seem to feel truly clean. Whether it's using outdated cleaning tools, failing to follow a structured routine, or neglecting hidden clutter, these small mistakes add up and make maintaining a tidy home a real challenge. In today's video, we'll uncover the biggest cleaning mistakes made by seniors and, more importantly, how to fix them. By making a few simple changes, you can transform your home into a more organized and stress-free space. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more practical home and lifestyle tips. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment sharing your own cleaning experiences. 1. Holding on to too many unnecessary items. One of the biggest reasons a home feels cluttered despite regular cleaning is holding on to too many unnecessary items. Over the years, we accumulate sentimental belongings, old paperwork, broken gadgets, and outdated furniture. Many seniors struggle to let go, either due to emotional attachment or the belief that an item may be useful someday. Think about the last time you sorted through your drawers or closets. Did you find stacks of old newspapers and used kitchen appliances or clothes that haven't been worn in years? This habit of hoarding, even if unintentional, leads to overcrowded spaces that are difficult to maintain. Cleaning around clutter doesn't eliminate the mess, it only shifts it from one place to another. The key to fixing this mistake is learning to declutter systematically. Take inspiration from Marie Kondo's famous decluttering method. If an item no longer serves a purpose or brings you joy, it's time to let it go. But don't feel like you have to do it all at once. Start small, tackle one drawer, one shelf, or one closet at a time. Set aside a few hours each week to sort through a section of your home, donating, recycling, or discarding items you no longer need. For those who find decluttering overwhelming, involving family members or friends can make the process easier. A fresh perspective from a loved one may help you make objective decisions about what to keep and what to let go. If sentimental items make it difficult to part with things, consider taking photos of certain belongings before donating them. This way, you can keep the memory without holding on to physical clutter. Additionally, be mindful of what you bring into your home moving forward. A good rule of thumb is the one in, one out policy. Whenever you buy something new, get rid of an old item. This prevents clutter from building up again and keeps your home feeling open and organized. 2. Using ineffective cleaning methods. Another major mistake that many seniors make is relying on outdated or ineffective cleaning methods. Over the years, cleaning techniques have evolved and newer products and tools can make cleaning much easier and more efficient. However, many people continue to use the same old rags, mops, and chemical-heavy cleaners that may not be the best choices. For example, dusting with a dry rag only spreads dust around instead of capturing it, while using the same mop water for the entire house simply redistributes dirt rather than removing it. Additionally, some traditional cleaning products contain harsh chemicals that can be harmful to your health, especially if used in poorly ventilated areas. A better approach is to upgrade to modern cleaning tools and techniques. Microfiber cloths, for example, are highly effective at trapping dust and allergens, while steam mops clean and disinfect floors using only water, eliminating the need for harsh chemicals. Robotic vacuums can also help maintain cleanliness with minimal effort. ensuring that floors stay dust-free throughout the week. Another common mistake is overusing cleaning products. Many people assume that using more detergent or disinfectant means a better clean, but in reality, excessive cleaning product use can leave behind sticky residues that attract even more dirt. Always follow manufacturer guidelines for proper dilution and application to avoid unnecessary buildup. Additionally, using the wrong cleaning solutions on certain surfaces can lead to damage over time. For instance, using vinegar on natural stone countertops can cause etching, while harsh abrasives can scratch delicate wood finishes. It's important to choose cleaning products that are specifically designed for the surfaces in your home to prevent long-term damage. By making small adjustments to your cleaning methods, you can save time, effort, and even money on cleaning supplies. Upgrading your tools, using the right products in the correct amounts, and adopting smarter techniques will make your cleaning routine more efficient and effective. 3. Ignoring hidden dirt and clutter. Many seniors tend to focus only on visible areas when cleaning, while completely overlooking hidden spots where dust and grime accumulate. Areas like behind appliances, under heavy furniture, on top of cabinets, and inside air vents are often neglected for weeks or even months, leading to a buildup of dirt and allergens. Think about the last time you cleaned under your refrigerator or checked the top of your ceiling fan blades. These hidden areas not only collect dust but can also contribute to poor indoor air quality, causing allergies and respiratory issues. Ignoring these spaces means that no matter how often you clean your home, it never truly feels fresh. The solution is to create a checklist of hidden areas to clean on a regular basis. Set reminders to vacuum behind furniture, dust ceiling fan blades, and wipe down baseboards at least once a month. Investing in a long-handled duster or vacuum attachments designed for hard-to-reach areas can make this task much easier. Additionally, rearranging furniture occasionally can help you access and clean these neglected spots. Even rotating cushions and flipping mattresses periodically can contribute to a more hygienic home. Taking a proactive approach to cleaning hidden areas will make a noticeable difference in how clean and fresh your home feels. 4. Not having a cleaning routine. One of the most common mistakes seniors make is not following a consistent cleaning routine. Without a schedule, tasks pile up, making cleaning feel overwhelming. A structured plan, breaking tasks into daily, weekly, and monthly goals, makes home maintenance more manageable. Creating a routine tailored to your needs will ensure every part of your home remains clean without excessive effort. Simple changes like assigning specific days for vacuuming, dusting, and deep cleaning prevent buildup and keep your home fresh. By sticking to a schedule, cleaning becomes a habit rather than a chore. By avoiding these common cleaning mistakes, you can transform your home into a cleaner and more organized space with less effort. Small changes such as decluttering regularly, updating cleaning methods, and following a structured routine can make a significant impact on maintaining a tidy living environment. Consistency is key. Adopting good cleaning habits and sticking to a schedule ensures that no task becomes overwhelming. Remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's progress. By making smarter cleaning choices, you'll enjoy a more comfortable and stress-free home. What cleaning mistake have you made in the past? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy cleaning!